Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to add and manage courses. First, click on General. Then go to Courses. You're now in the overview of your courses. Add a new course by clicking on plus Add Course. A new window opens up where you can enter all the information for the new course. Start by entering the name into the respective text field. Now set a sort order for your new course by entering a number into the respective field. If the course should be visible in the app, set the check mark next to Display in the application. If you wish to have a different text printed on the production ticket, set the check mark for the respective checkbox. If you did, enter the different text into the respective text field. Once everything is set, click on Save to apply the changes. Back in the overview, you can manage courses by using the Edit icon. You will then be brought back to the settings of the corresponding course. To delete a course, click on the bin icon. To make sure you are not deleting the item by accident, you must confirm your action. To do so, click on Delete. That's it! You completed the tutorial and know how to add and manage courses.